Okay, so what we've got here is the MikroTik mAP Lite. It's the mAP Lite. So what is the mAP Lite? That's a very good question. So when we open the box, the first thing we have is the power adapter, and you can see that that's USB. Then we have a quick start guide, and then we have the unit itself and some accessories. So what this is this is actually an access point, and I don't know if you can see how big this isn't, but this thing is tiny. So here is a Raspberry Pi for reference. This is the Raspberry Pi that we used in our digital signage video, and this is the mAP Lite. So the mAP Lite is a 2x2 access point, and it can be powered with the USB power adapter, or it takes 802.3 AF. It also comes with these mounting accessories, and the first thing that it has is some rubber feet. You can just have to take my word for it. There's rubber feet in this package, and they go on the bottom of this. But then there's also a magnet built into this, and this metal plate has an adhesive back, and you can see that it sticks, and you can take this adhesive back off and we can mount this anywhere. So I've heard that these are popular for vending machines and things like that. So what we're going to do now that we've unboxed this guy, I'm going to try not to slice my finger open, and we're going to plug it into the network, power it up, and then we are going to get into the interface based on the quick start guide. So the Ubiquiti switch would not power this, so we had to plug in the power source. But in the instructions in the quick start, it says this device accepts powering from the USB or the Ethernet port, and the Unify switch supports AF, so, and it's supposed to be auto sensing, so I'm not sure why we didn't get power. But anyway, we're plugged in now, so let's hop over to the PC and see what's shaking here. Okay, we're over at our desktop, so we're going to pop up our wireless networks, and according to the directions, we're going to go to the SSID MikroTik. So I see this MikroTik. We're going to tell this to connect. And it looks like we are connected. So now we're going to pop up a web browser and go to the specified IP address. So the IP address that it tells you in the quick start guide to go to is 192.168.88.1. And so we open this up, and it looks like we've got a whole lot of configuration. Who would have thought that that little box has all of this? So it can be a router. That little thing can be a router. It can be a bridge. We can do static or dynamic IP or PPPoE. We can change the internal IP address. We can change the DHCP server. You can see that I am connected to this. We can take a look at our bands. We can set that. We can set the wireless protocol, the network name, the frequency. I mean, this is impressive. This is router OS, you know, running on that little box. This is very impressive. So you could get in here and you could tinker around. So I'm going to add this to my MikroTik collection, and I am going to play around with it. The quick set screen, that's that very first screen that we come onto. So your main things that you want to change here, so like there's no password, so we would want to put a password here, and we can apply this. And so now this should be protected with a password. You can see that this thing is doing that. And this is really impressive for what it is. This thing cost, it was 25 or 30 bucks, and there's going to be a link to it down in the description. But if you're looking for a small access point, and apparently one that can do a lot more than that, this mAP Lite might be for you. I don't know exactly what the limitations are of this yet, but I'm definitely going to be playing around with it. It looks like it has VPN access. Looks like we can check for updates, and it says there is a new version available. It'll automatically go out and download that. Looks like it's from October 2nd, so this probably has the crack fix in it. But this is a little bit of amazing, so check this out. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. So I am really super duper impressed with the mAP Lite. For 25 or 30 bucks, all the functionality that you're getting in this thing, can you believe that, out of this router that's like the size of a matchbox? Holy cow, so check it out. Check it out. We're going to get back to the Ubiquity configuration videos. I promise. We've got all this other gear that we're going to get in there. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment and share. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Please use those Amazon affiliate links down there. They don't change your price, but they kick a few bucks into the channel, so we can buy these things and do these kinds of videos and answer your questions. So as always, I want to thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.